Hello, my friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad that you stopped by today, and I'm so happy that you've taken the time out to just spend a few minutes with me. I have a project share for you today, and the project share is going to be entered into Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jill Norwood. And Jill's Saturday Morning Makes just says, while you're there in your craft room, make something, enjoy what you're making, and share it with the crafty community for hashtag Satmore Makes. Also, I'm going to enter this into Two Crafters, One Design, which is hosted by Mo Creations, which is Melissa, You See Why I'm a Diva, which is Lisa, and Girliest Cards, which is Gloria. Now, Two Crafters, One Design always has a theme each week. The theme this week is postage. So, I was down in my craft room and I decided I would make a couple of things. So, I made this card. And this card she is so cute. She has her postage, so it has the postage, and it's a flat card. So it's one of those cards I had in my stash. It's a flat card. So I made it for Easter. And what I could do is I'll write on the back. I'll probably put some stickers or some more postage or something on the back. But probably use all that for writing the notes that I want to write. So that's my first card. It's a flat card. So that's my first card. And this is my second card. And she is just a beautiful girl. Bunny in her hat with her flowers and her scarf and her little scarf throw around her shoulders, because wherever she's going, she's stylish, she's looking good, and she's ready to go. So I have this one here, and it's also a flat card, and I put the postage on it, the two bunnies. And that one just has the cutest fat little cheeks, if you could see him. He's just so cute. Hope you can see him very well. If you can't zoom in, you'll see him. So I made two cards for that. So these are my cards this week that I made. And I'll have them ready for, to mail out for Easter. So I'm going to write all my stuff on them this week, put a stamp on them, and just throw them in the poster. Excuse me, everybody. Throw them in to have them posted. So, tell me what you think. Tell me, is that a hat or is that a hat? I mean, she's looking good. So, tell me what you think of the cards. And have you ever used the flat cards before? I think they're a little bit larger. Got them from the Hobby Lobby a while back. I'm still trying to dig into my stash and use what I have. So, I got these out. Thank you for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up. It helps the algorithms. If you're not a subscriber, press that button and subscribe. I'd be glad to have you here on my channel and being a part of my YouTube family. I'm on the road to 800 subscribers, so if you're not a subscriber, just push that button and subscribe. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget, as I always say, self-care is not selfish, and take care of yourself. And I'll see you all in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed my cards. Bye now.